My brain is trying really hard to go into anxiety mode, so I'm gonna Uno reverse that by turning myself into a baddie.
Shorty, a little baddie.
Start with the flick of the wing first. Then I completely ignore all of my eye folds and I just bada bing. I'm just gonna connect this weird little gap. These aren't the same, so now I just keep adding to this and pray to God that I don't mess it up. Now on top of the big swoop-de-whoop, we're gonna add a smaller swoop-de-doop. For the heart, you have to believe in yourself. It can smell fear. Yee doggy. Then finish off the line with our last little shmoop-de-bop. Finishing strong with the last little doodly-boo-bop. Does my makeup look slay?
Yes.
Could've hyped me up a little more, but that's fine. I had faith in myself the whole time.